Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So it is collective reading as we used to do. First I pull 3 cards based on that situation. The reading will go on. Okay. If you think that situation is matching or any one of that energy is matching with you, you can continue watching that reading. So let's get into the reading. I don't want to get revealed cards, but all are coming up. What kind of situation we are going to get? Cards are jumping. This is the reason why when I'm doing pick a card reading, I don't record this pulling the cards because it will waste a lot of time. So let's see the situation or the characters, what the energies, who involved in this situation, what kind of situation. Different things, different. Page 2, devil. So the situation is devil, 2 of cups and page of wands. Someone is very obsessed or someone is dealing with addictions, lot of addictions. No matter what kind of addictions, it is Capricorn card. And 2 of cups, the Scorpio card. Page of wands, Sagittarius, Aries. So here the situation is one person is dealing with addictions. They are dealing with addictions or some kind of toxic patterns, toxic behavior, negative behavior, negativity in their life. There is lot of toxicity in their life. Okay, the devil is nothing but toxicity, negativity, or some kind of addictions, whether it is alcohol addictions, sexual addictions, or attachments, which is not good, obsession about anything. So here 2 of cups, which is very good card. We all know 2 of cups is like a soulmate kind of connection, which is guarded connection, which is divinely union kind of connection. Okay, which is sacred union. So some 2 people are in the sacred union. Here other energy is page of wands, which is very immature. Page is itself is an immature card. This person talk a lot, I can say, or they simply talk. There is no action. If they take action also very little, because it is a page, we should not expect much from this person. If they don't put much action, that is not their problem. If we expect much action, that is our problem, because it is a kid. Page of Wands is a kid. So this kid is very brave kid. They talk a lot. Maybe they even involve gossips, rumors, or nonsense, or simply meaningless talk, or it is like immature energy. Even though they talk, people not give much importance to their talk or their words. Their words won't be having that much weight. So now take the messages or the energies, depends on the cards, which energy is matching you, which energies you are dealing with. If at all 3 energies are not matching with you, then I don't think you need to watch this reading, because here 3 energies. One is 2 people are in the relationship, which is good divinely guided connection. One is dealing with addictions, one is very immature. I think maybe these 2 people are in this connection. I cannot say now, because we need to get the clarification. So after getting the clarify cards, then I can say something about their how these 2 people related. But anyway, if at all these energies are matching, watch it. Okay, 3 energies are there, or I can say 2 energies. Based on the clarification, we will decide who is this. Okay. So let's get the clarification. I want to pull 3, 3, 3 for 3 cards. Let's get the clarification. Clarify the devil card, devil energy. No revealings, please. 2 more for the devil energy. So let's see first what this devil energy, who is this energy, what kind of addictions they are dealing. So there is not. So here, based on this card, I am not sensing they may be having any kind of addictions. If at all they have also, right now they are not having it, okay? Because this cups card is in the reverse, okay? So here, this person who is very obsessive, very addiction, whatever addictions they may be dealing, this person, because of these addictions, they are dealing with some addictions in the past, okay? It is started, just started, okay? In the past thing we are looking here. They lack the motivation, the fire, or I can say they are not goal oriented, they are not ambitious. Whatever they are doing in their life, there is no ambition, there is no foresight, or there is no long term goals. Maybe this person don't have any kind of goals. We cannot expect also, because this is a devil card. Devil is completely attached to something. And here I don't think this person is not, the devil is not even work kind of alcohol, workaholic kind of thing. So this person may be alcoholic because these cards, and I will also say alcohol. So maybe this person have addiction of alcohol addiction. So that is also one reason this person lack goals, motivation, or there is no foresight for the future things, future plannings, or long-term planning. They were like not today's, like not in the current energy. It is about their past energy. Okay, they are like just what is happening because they are completely in the addictions. They don't have any kind of ambitions, goals to do something, achieve something, set plans for something, have some kind of long-term goals, achieving that. There is no passion, there is no fire, there is no any kind of, as I said, whether it is a career related or whether it is passionate. Even I think this person is lost their passion also in the romantic sense also. Okay, nothing is driving them crazy, I can say. Okay, so here I don't think this person is having sexual addictions because Wands is completely in the reverse. Cups also in the reverse. Maybe in the past they may be or may not be. This person may be dealing with some kind of pattern. This person is okay whatever they have. They won't think much about the future, I can say, or they won't have plans for future, or at least they won't show a lot of passion towards future, having some kind of goals, setting some goals, achieving them, working towards them hard, at least showing that passion, that fieriness, nothing is there. And this Knight of Wands is, they are very passionate maybe, but they don't know how to use that passion. It is like using your passion in the wrong way, like very reckless. They don't know what to do, and if at all they start also, they won't complete it, incomplete things. Or I can say that they used to passionate towards things which are not good for them. It is not like, again, they may be having passion also, they lack that direction, that kind of energy, because Knight of Wands is very passionate card, but in the reverse they lack direction. Where they are going, they don't know. What they want, they don't know, because they need planning. They don't know how to plan. They may be having passion, but they don't know how to use it in the right manner, because it is in the reverse. Maybe they are very arrogant, because this is Knight is nothing but youth kind of card. So Knight is passion, fiery, but that is using in the wrong way. That means arrogance. They are very arrogant. They don't know how to use their passion in the right manner, at least. If they want to start something also, they will start with the passion, lot of passion, but they won't end it. They don't know how to complete it, because they lack this planning. They won't be having any kind of plannings. It is nothing but Three of Wands is having some kind of long-term plans, like 1 year plan, 2 years plans, at least 1 year plan, 3 years plan, 5 year plans. That's how we plan our future, or at least business projects, that kind of. But this person, if they got any kind of thought, idea, that fire, they want to do it. They want to get in it, but they don't know how to complete it. That kind of energy. They will go, after moving forward, they will lose that passion. That kind, little bit. Like in the initially, they will show a lot of passion, but when it comes to the complete that project, they lose that passion. They will, or at least they don't know how to end the things properly, how to complete the project. If they start one kind of project also, they don't know how to complete that project successfully. That kind of energy. In the initially, they will, if someone come and tell that, okay, we have this project, let's do it, then they will show a lot of courage, lot of passion towards it, and they will show a lot of fire, where they are ready to jump in it and start doing it. But when after some time they lose immediately, not just after some time, immediately they lose the passion. Knight is some kind of boom, that's it. It won't go anywhere. That kind of energy. Okay, the fast they start, in the same fastness they will end it. It is not long term. This should, it is nothing but having plans. If they have plans, they can go long term, but they won't be having any. They lack that planning. They lack that patience. They lack, that is what it is, impulsive card. Knight of Wands is one kind of impulsive, inconsistent. That consistency won't be there. When initially they will tell that, okay, I will do that, I will do this, let's achieve this and that, but immediately they will lose, because they don't know how to achieve all those things. They have that fire, that they don't know how to achieve it. And moreover, this person is very arrogant or aggressive kind of person, where people will not ready to help them, or at least they don't want to take help from someone, because when they don't know, they started something, they want to complete it, they need some support. This person is very arrogant, where they don't know how to ask help, or they don't know how to take help from others. That kind of energy. And I think now by this reading, now they are coming out of some kind of disappointments or disagreements or some kind of sadness, some kind of unfulfillment, because these all things are nothing but lack of something in their life. They are finally seeing the things in a different perception. In the past, there is a lot of passion, but they don't know how to use it because of their own mindset, I can say, or because of their impulsive nature, I can say, because night is kind of immaturity and lack of this, because of this immaturity, they lack this. First thing, patience is not there, and they lack planning, they lack strategy, or even though they start something, they won't wait for the result. If they are not getting result, they used to give up, that kind of energy. But now they are starting to see the things in a different perception, or at least they are understanding what is their mistakes, or whatever they have had negative things, they are these patterns. This devil is nothing but having some kind of patterns, thinking negatively. That is also one kind of pattern. One person continuously they used to think negatively, pessimism. That is also one reason why this person lacked that passion, because they want to start something also. They used to think in a pessimistic way. What if this project is not going to complete in the successful? Come on, that passion is lost. But now this person is thinking in a different way. That is what, thinking in a different perception, and they are seeing people around them with love, because they may be surrounded with lot of people who are very loving, caring, very affectionate, but in the past, because of this immaturity, because of this arrogance, because of this lack of planning or lack of motivation, lack of one kind of motivation, or that there is no confidence, pessimism, one kind of pessimism. Because of that, they are unable to see how beautiful people around them, or how much good, loving, caring people are around them. Now they are starting to see it, because Four of Cups is in the reverse. As I said, if at all they had any kind of alcohol addictions also, they came out of it. That is also one reason, maybe because of that immaturity, because of pessimistic thinking, because of lack of passion, because of dwelling in the past, one kind of past, who always thinking about the things which is already happened in the childhood, 5 years old, 10 years old, 15 years old, something happened in the 10 years old, but this person used to think about all those things again and again and again. It is like a pattern. They are ending that pattern now. They came into positivity. They are now, this person is seeing things in a different way. They are understanding people around them. They are seeing people, how loving, caring people they are having in their life, and they are ready to accept that love. In the past, they are not even looking at people. They are completely in their own world. That is what this devil card is. Maybe it is ego kind of thing also, because this person is arrogant. Maybe that kind of ego that block me, that mentally block, some kind of block, that is nothing but ego. And because of all those things, this person is completely in the darkness. The devil is darkness, and because of that darkness, this person failed to see love around them. Now they are seeing love around them, and they are accepting that cup of love. At least they are watching, they are taking notice of how loving people they are surrounded by. They are understanding what is emotion, what is feeling. Here this person is completely immature. They don't even understanding, or they don't even thinking about all those things. Now this person is in a position to understand what is love, what is emotion, what is feelings, and they got some kind of maturity, and because they are started to see the things in a different perception. That is also one reason why this person is taking notes of everything in a good way. They are thinking in a good way. Now let's see what is this Two of Cups, because if I explain more, it will go for 1 hour ago. So let's pull cards for Two of Cups energy, how this Two of Cups is related to this devil. Please clarify. 2 cards, 1 more card. So here Two of Cups, clarifications, King of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. So here clarification for Two of Cups. I don't know how this relate because two different energies. Three different energies. One is Queen of Pentacles, very grounded, very stable, very beautiful, very caring, very nurturing, very motherly kind of woman who is business minded woman, business woman I can say one way, or they are very good at handling finances, business as well as home, as well as people around them. They are very good at taking care of them. This is a very grounded energy. This woman is well matured. That is also one reason why she is very much. See, when I say woman, it doesn't mean that it is female. Okay, it is masculine and feminine energy. Here, the feminine is very mature, very understanding, very caring, very nurturing. They are well balanced. At least in the financially, they are completely grounded energy. They are very caring, nurturing. They know how to handle business, professional matters, finances, that kind of energy. Okay, they are well settled, I can say one way, because Queen of Pentacles, Queen, she is Queen for the Pentacles. And one person here, Seven of Swords, is a completely different energy. This person is sneaky, manipulative, thief kind of person who love to steal from others, or who love to manipulate people, or do sneaky things behind the closed doors, or do some illegal things which is not good, or simply manipulating people is like one kind of fraud. Manipulation or taking advantage of people. It is not advantage of people, it is like doing something behind the people. They cheating kind of thing. Cheater or liar, manipulator, thief, steal things from others, or they do something behind the closed door. As I said, it is maybe illegal, which is illegal kind of energy. I don't know how it belongs to that Two of Cups energy. And your other energy is the Seven of Pentacles is very hardworking person. This person is very hardworking, very talented, hardworking person who love to give their everything to achieve something. They are working on something from very long, but they are unable to see the progress, I can say. But actually, whatever efforts they are keeping, it is growing. Whatever seeds they. Actually, the thing is, this person is now they need to wait little bit to see the result for whatever they are waiting, because they kept lot of efforts, I can say. If it is about relationship, this person want to have this Queen of Pentacles in their life because they are seeing them as a Two of Cups. But here they are trying a lot. This scenario I am getting, they are trying a lot to fulfill this wish, I can say, or have this Two of Cups energy with this Queen of Pentacles. But there is one energy who is very Seven of Swords energy, who is very sneaky, who is doing lot of sneaky things behind the closed doors. This person don't want this relationship. Now either they are in the relationship, but someone is not correct in this relationship. We will check in the next. So this person this person energy is like feeling very demotivated, because they are unable to see the result. They are doing a lot of hard work. They are investing their energy, their time. They are very confident person also, but slowly they are losing their confidence because they are unable to see the result. This person is very grounded. They are already settled. This person maybe want to reach their Ten of Pentacles, but they are working hard, but they are unable to see that result because of because of the sneaky things happening behind them. That is also one reason they are unable to achieve, or it is happening in the background. in the abstraction level, they need to wait some more time to see the result, that kind of energy. But as of now it is not happening, so that's why this person is very disappointed, very it is like kind of self-doubt, kind of giving up mood. They are not going to give up. It is like feeling giving up, feeling negative, whatever what on whatever they are working. Okay, they have a lot of negative thoughts, I can say, because they are unable to see the result. Okay, so now let's pull the cards for Page of Wands energy, because I don't want to conclude everything. We need to pull more cards. So clarifies for this Page of Wands. Only 3 cards. So what is the clarification for the Page of Wands? Here the thing is, I think this person is very mature as Page of Wands is a very mature card. They don't know how to use their passion, use their courage, use their confidence, and use their communication. Or they simply involve themselves in immature talks or creating rumors, gossips kind of things, because they are kid. So they don't know what is right, what is wrong kind of energy. So here for this person, see, I think these 2 cards are same, because Page and King, but here mature. So here they are dealing with King of Wands, where they both are having same courage, same confidence, same passion towards whatever they are doing, mostly in the passionate side, passionate area of life, whether it is work, whether it is their romantic kind of, I cannot say romantic kind of thing, because it is a kid, it is a father kind of energy. So they may be like in the maybe passionate energy also, they share same things. But here this person is very mature, they did something, or I can say that they don't know how to use their throat chakra, or they misused information about this King of Wands. Or I can say, see, King is very mature person, they know how to talk, way to use their confidence, way to show courage, way to use their passion, how to make the decisions, what decisions are right, what decisions are wrong. They have that maturity, King of Wands. This person lacked that maturity, and because of their immaturity, this person shared some information to the other people about this king, or at least about these 2 people, I can say, because they are related. Some information communication happened about this King of Wands, whether it is true or false completely depends on the situation. So take the messages, if it is resonating, if at all you are feeling that Page of Wands is your energy, then you know that what kind of information you misused, or what kind of information you shared to others, which made this King of Wands in the regretful mode, or some kind of guiltiness, or making some decisions. This person, because of this person, this King of Wands made some kind of decisions or some kind of actions which is not appreciable. Even that person is not feeling good for that actions, taking that actions, or doing some things, or making some decisions. Now this person is completely feeling regretful, guilty, sadness. There is a reason. because of that, after happening this, maybe this person, how they came to know is a different thing. This person walked away from the situation. King of Wands walked away from this Page of Wands. Now this people is not in a contact, I can say, or they ended the relationship, whatever relationship they used to share, because this is Eight of Cups is nothing but ending the situation or walking away from the situation which is not serving them. Here King of Wands walked away from the situation from this Page of Wands, because Page of Wands used some information against this King of Wands, or immaturely, or they simply thought that nothing wrong to share some information, but because of that, this person, either this person said something to this person King of Wands, but based on that Page of Wands words, this King of Wands made some decisions, took some actions which ended them in the regretful mode or sad place. Now this person is regretting for their actions, their decisions, and that decisions made because of this Page of Wands, because of this immaturity. Immaturely they took some decisions, some actions. Now they are regretting, and they, whatever relation they shared, they walk away from the situation. This King of Wands completely walked away from this Page of Wands, and now this Page of Wands is end up in this Nine of Swords energy. Maybe very anxiety, feeling anxious, feeling very, it is like nightmare, having a lot of anxiety, stress, nightmare. Because this energy is not other person energy, it is Knight of Swords. One person is feeling, but here already King of Wands is feeling regretful, sad, some kind of guilty. Here the Page, because these people are walked away from each other, or at least this King of Wands is walked away from the situation, where now this Page of Wands is feeling this Nine of Swords energy, which is nothing but complete anxiety, complete stress. It is like a hell, feeling depression, stress, anxiety, nightmares. They are not unable to sleep at night. They may be having a lot of nightmares. They may be having, because of this information, maybe they created some gossips, rumors, which now that rumors, gossips are not letting sleep this person. They took their sleep. We should use our communication very carefully. So this is a situation for this Page of Wands. Now these people are not in a contact, because it is Eight of Cups, it is ended. I think this. So why this person is regretting is, they listen to their intuition, whatever they took decisions, that time maybe they did not listen to their intuition, they completely believed on this Page of Wands. Maybe they are very trusted, because they both are same, but just simply this person is very mature, this person is immature energy. So they may be trusted this person completely, even they don't even listen to their intuition. They simply took decisions or took some actions just by trusting this Page of Wands, and now after some time or something happened, they started listening to intuition and they walked away from the situation, from this Page of Wands. And now Page of Wands is completely in the Nine of Swords energy. They are feeling very anxious, depressed, which is not good. This person need treatment, or at least some kind of therapy. So whoever they are, if at all you are Page of Wands, you are feeling in this energy, Nine of Swords energy. I think this is you, because this person is simply feeling regret and sadness. It is not heavy kind of Nine of Swords energy. No, sadness, regretful, guilty, that kind of energy. But this is completely, again, same. Whatever this action or this, not actions, it is completely speaking, communication, because of their miscommunication or misusing communication, they end up in this Nine of Swords energy, which is not good. Now let's clarify how these three piles related to each other. Okay, there is a huge chances here I am getting. There is a chances the Seven of Swords will be this, because after Seven of Swords, Eight of Swords, people will end up in this energy. So this Swords energy. Anyway, let's see what clarification we will get for this outcome. Not clarification, it is outcome. Let's see the outcome for the Devil energy. What is outcome for the Devil energy? Only one card. Very good cards. So here the clarifications are Lovers, Four of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. It's a very good card because we started reading with the Devil card and ending with a very positive note. The outcome is very good for this person who we are dealing with some kind of toxicity, negative thinking here mostly, lack of passion, negativity, stagnant, or not letting go of the past, attachments, some kind of attachments which is not good for them. Nothing but some negative situations which they need to let go of, the negative mindset. Pessimism, there is a lot of pessimism. These two cards is nothing but some kind of pessimism or overreacting for the things, not looking around the good people, or at least not taking look at the good people around them, that kind of energy. So finally here, see, they are finally changing their perception. That is also one reason why they are able to see the good things around them, whether people, things, opportunities. They are ready to grab that opportunities. They are seeing that positivity. They are no more feeling this negativity, pessimism, or lack of passion kind of things. Finally they came into the energy where they are ready to see the opportunities, what kind of opportunities, the positive things, are thinking in a positive sense, and any opportunities there, they are ready to grab that opportunities without even thinking negatively. They are ready to take the action, or I can say ready to take the opportunity to end that stagnation, because it is nothing but Four of Cups. It is a stagnant card. No matter how many opportunities they may be having, they are not taking it. But now they are ready to take that opportunities. They are ready to grab that opportunities, and because of that, maybe especially in the matters of heart-related matters, emotional-related matters, they are going to get that twin flame. Or here we are seeing that Four of Cups in the reverse. That means there are so many opportunities around them. In the past, they are not recognizing that. Now they are able to see that. That is also one reason, like either they are meeting their soulmate or love of their life, or at least they are having lot of opportunities in the area of emotional area, relationship matters. They are going to have lot of opportunities around them, which is good for them. Okay, so in that, whether it is a love of their life or twin flame kind of thing, they will end up with their twin flame. Here finally they are going to, after meeting their love of their life or twin flame, they are going to heal themselves. Because if it is a twin flame union, obviously other partner will help the other partner to heal the wounds, whatever is required work need to be done. They will help each other. At least sometimes it is each other. The both people will help together to heal themselves. So here this person is healing from these addictions, these patterns, not addictions here, these patterns. They have pessimistic thinking, lack of passion, lack of courage, I can say, lack of self-confidence, or simply they are not having long-term goals. Because of that, they don't know how to plan it, that kind of energy. Because they don't have long view. They don't know how to think about long-term plans kind of thing. Because of that pessimism, that pattern, the negative pattern, that stagnation, not letting go of that past, all these are comes into this devil energy, which is complete. Maybe they are going through same patterns. Now when they meet this twin flame, they are going to heal themselves. They will come out of all those patterns or fears, insecurities. This is nothing but fears also, one way. When they want to take some action, they may be having fear of losing, fear of failing, because they lack self-confidence because of past experiences. It's completely dependent on past experiences, past wounds which is not healed. So finally they are getting that healing. They are healing from everything, which is help them to end up in this 10 of Pentacles energy, where they are going to have one grounded, stable life in their life, financially, completely a stable, abundant life, with good, happy family. 10 of Pentacles is a very stable, grounded, long-term kind of stability, not just 1-2 year stability. It's like generational wealth. This person is going to, this is also one reason, maybe it is twin flame, because when twin flames come in together, they heal themselves completely. Whatever negative things they used to have, they will heal from that. Once they get completely healed, they can create so many things, where they can create a legacy, I can say. They will create some kind of legacy. So this person also going to create some kind of legacy, generational wealth kind of thing. This 10 of Pentacles is, it will stay for very long years, generations to generations, not just for them and after completing that kind of energy. It is completely stable, grounded. Some generations can leaving that legacy. It is a good ending here. I am very much happy for this person, whoever it is energy, the devil energy. They are really in a bad energy, but finally they are ending in the outcome is very good for them. Because of that healing, this love is going to change their life, I can say here. Because of this twin flame, their complete life is going to change. Now let's see this 2 of Cups energy. What is the outcome? Who is the 2 of Cups? Because here we are seeing 3 energies, or at least 2 energies, I can say. So let's see. Outcome for this 2 of Cups. One more card. I lose the interest when cards get revealed. That is also one reason I mostly won't take. So 2 of Cups energy. Star card, Moon card, so Death card. Some kind of healing, some kind of endings. So for this 2 of Cups, the Star card, the Moon card, Death card, all are major arcanas, and it is completely this person, whoever, very stable, grounded business person who know how to handle business. This person is going to get a lot of opportunities in their life, where they are going to shine like a star. If at all they need any kind of healing, they are going to heal from everything. It is one kind of hope, one kind of positivity, one kind of opportunities. Are there will be so many people who want to have them in their life, or who want to at least have their friendship, have their love, some kind of having lot of admirers kind of thing, because this person is going to shine like a star, because they are already Queen of Pentacles, who is very good at handling the business, and they are good at handling themselves also. There is nothing wrong in that their position or their stability. From the starting onwards, they are good at least handling businesses and handling their their appearance and everything looks good, looks everything, and in around people also they are treating them well, very caring, very nurturing, that kind of energy. And this person is business person, they are ready to invest, they are ready to do the business. That is also one reason why their outcome is they will have a lot of opportunities. Lot of people want to do business with them or want to have partnership with them in the business sense, or because of their looks they even have admirers who want to be in their company, that kind of energy, because this person is going to shine like a star. There is a lot of hope here. I am not sensing any negative thing. That is also one reason why they are going to get, because of this energy, they are going to get a lot of opportunities in their life. And because of this sneaky energy, this person, whoever 7 or stars energy, because of their sneakiness, they are going to end up in this moon energy. Moon energy is nothing but, see, one way it is a good thing, one way it is a bad thing. It is like going through darkness, night of the soul. That this person needed that, because whatever they are doing, it is wrong. So for that awakening is very important for this person, and that awakening will happen in this person's life, where they need to go through some kind of path. They need to face a lot of fears, they need to face a lot of anxiety, insecurities, some kind of psychic attacks, psychic abilities, so many things, because they need transformation, I can say. This person need transformation. This person's life should turn around to stop this sneaky nature, and it is going to happen for them. I don't want to say that moon card is a negative card, but it is a dark card. In one way I can say that this person is doing lot of illegal shit, because this is a sneaky thing. There are so many secrets about this person. I think this person is one of these 2 of cups energy. So there are 2 people in this energy. 2 of cups is couple is there. One person in the couple. One person is very sneaky, thief kind of person, or I can say they are not trustworthy. They are cheating, or doing some manipulation, fraud things which is not legal, where government can take against legal action against them. But there are so many secrets. This person have a lot of secrets, lot of dark side, I can say. In their life they maybe have some dark secrets. This 7 of Pentacles energy, still this reading want to keep some secrets only. They don't want to reveal it. In the 7 of Pentacles energy, I think this person want to work on this relationship, because this is 2 of Cups energy, and they are working hard to maintain this relationship, but this relationship is ended, but this person don't want to accept it. 7 of Pentacles energy, whoever it is, they want to work on it, or at least they want to work on themselves. Death is in the reverse. They are not accepting it. Something ended in this person's life, 7 of Pentacles person, but they are not accepting that. They are not ready to move, I can say. They are not ready to change. They are not ready to accept the things. They are not ready to see the reality or accept the reality. They are denying. They are denial mode, I can say here. They are completely in a denial mode. Here I am getting one more message. Because these 2 people are looking same. This is 7 of Swords energy. This is 7 of Pentacles energy. If at all this person, same person, did some sneaky shit, and to keep that secret, to keep those sneaky shit, whatever they did behind the closed doors, they don't want to come out. That is also one reason this moon card came. There are so many secrets. There are dark secrets, or they may be leading some kind of dark life which they don't want to come out in the light. And something ended, which is nothing but maybe this 2 of Cups energy is ended. and this person don't want to accept that ending, because death is also dark, moon is also dark. This seven of pentacles is completely negative thoughts, self-doubt, negative thinking, and this seven of swords is also completely sneaky shit, doing some things, illegal things, doing some things behind the closed doors where people don't know what they are doing, or they want to hide from the people whatever they are doing. So here, see, in this two of cups energy, one person is genuine, they have good stability, good name I can say, because Queen of Pentacles, very good stability, very grounded, very caring, nurturing person, very generous person who take care of everyone around them. They are getting opportunities because of that grounded nature, because of that business mind, because of their looks, because they are maintaining very well. They are getting a lot of opportunities, hope. Their life is hopeful, I can say one way. Their life is very hopeful, very positive, with lot of opportunities. But here I think this complete spread is for this person who did lot of sneaky shit, who want to try to correct it, or who want to hide the things. They have lot of secrets and this person don't want to come out. That is also one reason this person not accepting the death card, because the moment they end this connection, complete story will come out. This person's all the secrets, all the sneaky shit. These two cards are very good cards, very stable, grounded, happy, very good cards. But this even this person, whatever they have qualities, eligibilities, for that they are getting that opportunities, that they hope, they are hopeful towards the life. But when it comes to this person, I think this two same person, I think in this relationship something happened, some sneaky shit happened behind the back. Maybe this Queen of Pentacles know it or not. This person did something, or there are a lot of secrets in this relationship. So if at all they end this relationship, especially whoever this sneaky shit, or whoever have some kind of dark life, if they actually it ended, this two of cups is ended, this relation is ended, but someone is not accepting it. This person is not accepting because they know that if they accept and they move on, complete their life, the dark life will come into the light. They want to keep it as a secret. They don't want to get it revealed. Maybe they will get some kind of legal action can be taken on them, because it is completely darkness, dark cards. I don't know what kind of sneaky shit, not just sneaky, something they are doing illegal. This person mindset is completely different, because they don't want to end. Now also it ended, but still they are not accepting that ending. They are not accepting this death, because if they accept, all the things will come into the light. Maybe because of this person, money, power, it is not coming out, because this person is very grounded, very stable. That is also one reason. There are a lot of opportunities. This person is completely positive person, or at least their image is completely positive. This person is completely sneaky, manipulator, doing things behind the scenes. So because of this light, right, see, this is two of cups energy. One partner is very light, or I can say positive person, or light. One person is completely dark energy, one person is light energy. If this light energy go away from this dark energy, people will come to know that this is dark, this person is dark. Whoever the dark energy, they will come to know that this person is a dark person. That is also one reason this person, whoever having darkness, they are not letting this to end, because they want to hide all these things in the darkness only. They don't want to show their dark image to the people. This person is helping them to hide this darkness, knowingly or unknowingly. Whoever matching these energies, two of cups energies, knowingly or unknowingly, this person stability, this person shining, this person light, completely hiding this darkness. And now if it is ended, this relationship ended already. If they want it or not, it is ended. It is death card, undeniable. That is also reason. It is naturally ended. Death is natural. Now this person don't want to let it go, don't want to accept it, because they know that if they accept, if they let go this light, their darkness will come into the picture. I hope you are understanding. This reading is really different. One person is like a criminal, one person is very good. These two people are Two of Cups energy. Maybe that is also one reason why universe decided to end this. Or else this relationship is like a guided union, divine union. But these people, completely one person misused it. This person misused it. No matter, see here we are seeing male, female, masculine energy, feminine energy. Okay. Someone misused it, one partner misused it, that is also one reason this is ending. So let's see the outcome for this Page of Wands energy. We will get clear picture, at least we will try to get the clear picture. Okay. We get 3 clarifications for the Page of Wands. And 3 is enough. So the outcome for the Page of Wands is 5 of Pentacles, the 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Swords. This King of Wands is, they felt left out in the cold, either because of this Page of Wands person or because of someone, because this person is communicating, it is like telling lies, rumors, gossip. Because of that, this person lost someone. Either they left someone in the 5 of Pentacles energy because of hearing this person's whatever they are telling, or trusting this person. By trusting this person, they left someone in the 5 of Pentacles energy. That is also one reason why they felt very sad or bad, regretful kind of way, because they listened to this Page of Wands, which is not true, and they simply trusted this person very much. That is also one reason this person is feeling guilty. It is not this person's energy. This person maybe had someone who is dependent on them, or at least who trusted them. This person trusted this person, but because of this person, whatever they said, they trusted all those things, and they simply left them in the cold. Or I can say it is some kind of financial difficulty for some time. They walked away from the situation anyway. They are not in that regretful mood for a long time. They listened to their intuition, they walked away from it, and they are moving towards 10 of Cups. They are going to reach this 10 of Cups energy. This person is walking towards 10 of Cups energy. And whoever this page of wands, because of their communication, why I am telling this person is swords are nothing but communication, and this person is using their mouth more than their wand. That is also one reason. This person, actually the thing is, this person had choices but they don't know what to choose. This person is very confused, or they are like blindfolded, one kind of not seeing the truth clearly, or not seeing the truth, not seeing the situation, what is happening, what is right, what is wrong. They acted like a blind person. That is also one reason they end up in this Nine of Swords energy, because still I think they are in the confusion. This confusion is making them this Nine of Swords energy, because first Two of Swords will come after that Nine of Swords. So when this person end up in the situation where they don't know what to choose, they don't know what to believe, because they are unable to see the truth because of their maturity or because of whatever they did in the past. They are not in a position to see the things clean, see the truth, what is happening. And they may be having some multiple choices. It is about anything. They have two paths, crossroads. They are in the crossroads. They don't know where to go, which path to choose, because they are completely blind. And this energy is creating a lot of tension, lot of anxiety, lot of fear, lot of insecurities. They are getting triggered about everything. This person did some mistake. That is also one reason. That is nothing but they left some people behind them. It is like lefting out in the cold kind of thing, like this Five of Pentacles is maybe this person dependent, or they trusted, but because of this person they abandoned this person or these people. They have that regrets for that. So here, because of this Page of Wands, this King of Wands trusted this Page of Wands, and they believed whatever they told. Based on that information, they left someone in the cold, and because of that, by lefting them in the cold, this person is feeling very sad, regretful for doing that, because they trusted this person. And anyway, they are walking away from the situation to the Ten of Cups energy. With this person or with other people, we cannot clarify here again. It will go. And here this person is Page of Wands is, they may be in the crossroads. They don't know what to choose or where to go, because this person left this person. This person is in the father energy. This person is in the child energy. Now this person don't know where to go. They may be having some options, but they don't know which one is choose, because as I said, this person is very mature. Because of that, they are in the crossroads. They don't know what decision they need to make. That is also one reason they are having lot of insecurities, because of this undecisive nature, I can say. They are unable to decide what they want. They are like they cannot see the truth. They are failed to see the truth. They fail to understand the things. That is also one reason, which is creating lot of tension, lot of anxiety, lot of nightmares, where they are unable to sleep at night. This person is going towards listening to their intuition. They are moving towards their happiness, which is going to give them this Ten of Cups energy. I think these are the same people who left them in the cold. I think there is a chance. Finally, they are ending up with Ten of Cups energy. Happy family. This person need some time to come out of this energy, or they need some kind of therapy, because don't know what age they are, but they are still immature kid. They may be 40, 50, 60, but they are still immature. So they need that growth, that maturity to understand the things in a better way, to understand what is truth, or at least see the truth. So they need to grow, they need to mature. Now this person don't know what to make. Maybe this person used to help them what to do, but they took advantage of them, or they misleaded them. That is also one reason. They might misguided. I cannot say they misleaded. They gave some wrong information. Because of that, this person took some actions which is regretful. But anyway, they are going to correct it, because this 10 of Cups energy is there. This person is going to understand things, or at least they need some healing. It is like therapy kind of thing. This person needs some mental maturity, especially mental maturity, because all sorts is there. I don't know what way these people are going to match with each other. 3 people different. So I want to conclude this. I hope at least one energy is matching whoever watching this reading, and you can, based on that one energy, you can see whom you are dealing with, so that if that energies are matching, you can understand the situation, whom you are dealing, who acted in which way, because here there are so many swords is there. Swords, 4 of swords, 7 of swords, 9 of swords, 2 of swords, wands. So I want to conclude this. So finally the devil is turning into lover after getting that healing, I can say, or the devil is turning into lover, and this thief is not accepting the death. What conclusion we should give this person? Page is ending up in the crossroads. They need to mature. I hope this will help at least 3 people minimum. Yes, 3 people minimum is there. At least it will help 3 people to get understand the situation in a better way, and see the things clear way. If at all whoever watching that reading is matching with Page of Wands, they will understand the situation in a better way. They need therapy. So Page of Wands, if at all this energy is matching with you, go for therapy. You need therapy, because 9 of Swords is a very dangerous energy where you are losing your mental health, I can say, losing your mind, becoming insane. So better to consult therapist. Okay. And 2 of Cups energy, the sneaky shit, whoever doing the thief, accept the death. Okay. I don't know whether it is physical death or it is relationship death. Accept the death, because I think there are so much sneaky, not just sneaky shit I am sensing, darkness, complete darkness. So here I should not tell, but here someone is going to physically die, or they are going to end this death is happening through this ending this relationship, or someone is going to lose their life. That is also one reason they are going to lose this 2 of Cups energy, because they are misusing this energy, completely darkness, which is not good, which is not appreciable. And the devil is finally, whoever the devil energy, you are finally going to turn into the lover, who will be, you are going to meet your twin flame, because here I am seeing generational wealth. You are going to create some kind of legacy. So don't worry, wherever situation, so what stage you are dealing with, you may be in the healing stage or just met your lover, your twin flame, whatever stage you may be. Have patience, complete your healing. Once you complete the healing, you are going to create this generational wealth or legacy. You are going to create it, okay? And Two of Cups energy, whoever dealing with this partner who is not good for you, universe is going to cut them organically. It is like death is naturally. Whether, I don't know, naturally I said maybe you are going to lose that partner in a natural way, or I am sensing you, that's why. I don't want to tell, but truth is truth. Organically I said, that's why. They are removing this person from your energy organically because they are completely misusing this light to hide their darkness, which is not good. It is like one devil is hiding beside the divine, behind the divine. This person is like a divine. This person is demon. One demon is hiding behind the divine. People are seeing them as a divine because they are hiding behind the divine. Everyone is praying like they are also divine. That kind of energy here. That is also, I said, Two of energy, they are completely misusing. One devil is completely hidden in this Two of Cups energy. They are using this energy as their protection. The demon is using this. See, even universe don't want to do. Generate the messages. See, when I am talking about this demon, I don't know how dangerous they are. This card itself is telling a lot of things. There are so many secrets. When it comes to, maybe we cannot even. It is a dark energy kind of thing. It is light energy. This person may be healer because Star card is a healing card. And this demon completely hiding themselves behind this divine being, whoever they may be. This Two of Cups is protection for them, for protection for this demon. So anyway, that is also one reason universe is said, okay, enough is enough. This death is happening organically. Now, based on your situation, don't worry, that don't cry, this Two of Cups is energy is ending because they are simply misusing. One person is simply misusing that energy. That is not good for the planet as well as this divine being. Okay? And this person don't know when they are going to come out of this Nine of Swords energies because this person unable to see the truth clearly, or I can say that they are simply unable to decide what they want. They need to mature. They need to mature. They cannot sit in this energy. They need maturity. Completely different energies. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You find the details in the description box.